let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some celebrity stuff. Guys, in the relationship segment, things seem not to be going well for others. MDN News reports TK Nisa reclaims car gifted to fiancé following breakup. Ntantla Mafu's ex-husband TK Nisa has broken up with his fiancé Lebo Pasha. The lovers have had hopes of being a couple, but it crashed before manifestation. Zimoja reports that TK and Lebo parted ways after dating for over a year. They had completed the lobola proceedings and were preparing for the big wedding in 2023. Lebo's child and TK's kids were almost like siblings. They had developed a strong bond and were getting along so well, a source reveals. She moved out, he took the car, and they have removed each other's pictures on social media, the source added. The relationship is over and I don't see them getting back together. A close friend of the two said TK was spotted at the ANC 112 anniversary celebration in Mpumalanga in January with someone who appeared to be the new woman in his life. They seemed cozy to be dating, the source added. This source, yes, says TK and the Mafikizolo singer's marriage ended in 2019. Their marriage was blessed with children. Mafu has also moved on with a new lover whose face she's refused to unveil, especially on social media. Hey, Bondies, what do you think about this one?